Okay, so we're in a lab right now, and what you see right here is a ventilating chamber. And so right now all the air is coming from here and sort of sucking it back through there, so I'll be able to mix my molds with this kind of resin that's very smelly and whatnot. But anyway, I basically created this mold here. Basically the model, I don't know if you can sort of see it down in there, but I got sort of a little place to hook this into, like that. And basically, it's designed so that it won't rise up. It'll stay in there and won't rise up. So one of the things also I need to do is to keep it from sort of bouncing off the walls or sticking to the walls. I've got a kind of a little thing to sort of hold it in place. So we'll do that. And I got my drill with the fan blade on it. So basically we'll be able to mix everything that we need to do on that. Got my vacuum chamber, and this is that cookie jar I got. And basically I had some leftover silicone from a previous mix, that one I did, and so now I have a nice little silicone seal, so I'm happy about that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set this up and start mixing. Now, what I've discovered is that on vacuum degassing, so let's say we have, this is a it's about 64, it says about 64 up here. I only want to fill half of this worth of material and mix it all up. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to lay it down in here, put my seal back, put my vacuum seal chamber, and degass it. And I'll basically do that with 4, possibly 5 of these, because I have a large amount of space to fill on this thing. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to measure out 4 of these. Don't need that yet. Basically, I'm going to fill it up to maybe 32 ounces. Basically, see this. Getting up higher and higher. Don't want it to overflow, so I release it. Basically, that's getting all the bubbles out. Looks like it's going to start boiling. Starting to release. I need to let that go until it gets all the bubbles out. Starts settling back down. We are at as far as I can go on this guy, so it's doing the right it needs to do. Alright, we'll put you back up here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brush, and be able to sort of use the material and sort of get into these areas that I'm trying to make sure that stuff gets into. So right in all them through here with that brush. All right. Like I said, I'm going to take this material. Sort of brush it down, so that's going to do that right now. Now, set this down inside here, and lock it in to that little area there. Now, use this thing here. Keep it in position. And use this little screwdriver here to get this in place here. Barely covered over the top of that. I think I need a little bit more. Let it sit overnight. come back tomorrow and see where we are.